What is the driving force of progress and development? What is the source of change and innovation? It is driven by technology. It is summoned by vision. Sichuan Sanling Industrial Group is a diversified enterprise group with major emergency response as its core industry. Headquartered in the core area of the Tianfu New District, a national-level New District CBD core area, its business covers special vehicles, 5G communication equipment, medical devices, software development, import and export trade, and other industries related to major emergency response. Providing high-quality services and strong support for applications in fields such as healthcare, emergency response, firefighting, public security, transportation, municipal administration, and legal affairs. Sanling Group has always adhered to the spirit of striving for excellence and winning with quality, continuously exploring and innovating, serving users at home and abroad. The group's subsidiary, Sichuan Aipukang New Energy Technology Co., Limited, is a special vehicle production enterprise approved by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. With years of experience in the design, research, manufacturing, sales, leasing, and after-sales service of special vehicles, possesses a variety of vehicle models that comply with national regulations for multi-industry applications. In the field of 5G communication, the group's subsidiary, Sichuan Zhangpu Yingtong Technology Co., Limited, through the design philosophy that integrates 5G communication technology, big data, IoT, and AI technology, the software and hardware products developed can be widely applied to smart healthcare, smart emergency response, public safety, smart legal affairs, smart transportation, and other mobile carriers. Also provides multi-level digital and intelligent communication management software plus hardware integrated solutions. Zhangpu Yingtong is also a high-tech enterprise dedicated to the research and development of intelligent mobile-related software such as communication equipment, the internet, and AI technology, combining leading domestic technological advantages, empowering the entire emergency field, efficient allocation of emergency resources, integrating applications across all links. Sichuan Yimeitong Medical Equipment Co., Ltd., a subsidiary of the group, is a professional supplier engaged in the production and sales of medical emergency equipment and medical consumables. Always adhering to the service philosophy of customer first, honesty, and trustworthiness, striving to provide customers with high-quality and new technology products and services, while continuously exploring and expanding the frontier of medical device products. Sanling Industrial Group is rooted in service, customer-centric, product as the link, market-oriented philosophy to serve China's large emergency industry. Valuing research and people, with technological innovation as the foundation, continuously increasing investment in production and research, made breakthrough progress in core technologies, successively obtained multiple national-level technical and quality-related certifications. As of now, it has hundreds of invention and utility model patents, multiple software copyrights, and national product certification reports and other authoritative certifications. Sanling Group has been self-motivated and continuously striving for decades, standing at the forefront, striving to be the first, and moving towards the future. We firmly believe that talent, technology, and industry are the foundation of the group. Not indulging in empty thoughts, not chasing after empty voices, in the wave of industry innovation, taking a strong position, making moves to open a new chapter, contributing new strength to promote the intelligent development of China's major emergency industry.